Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade peanut butter cups. In a microwavable bowl, I have 1 cup of chocolate chips and going to add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then going to microwave for 1 minute. Then give it a stir and continue to microwave on 30-second intervals or until the chocolate chips have melted and the chocolate is smooth. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then place some paper liners in a muffin pan and you're going to pour in the chocolate to fill the bottom of the liners. I use a teaspoon to do so. If you would like the peanut butter cups to be thinner, just do 1 teaspoon. If you would like them to be thicker, do 2 teaspoons like me. This recipe makes about 10 to 12 peanut butter cups, just depends on how thick you make them. Once you're done filling in the bottom of the liners with chocolate, place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes for the chocolate to set. In another bowl, I have half a cup of organic peanut butter. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And microwave for 15 to 20 seconds or until the mixture is slightly melted and pourable. And give it a stir to combine. Now you're going to pour in the peanut butter over the chocolate, either adding 1 to 2 teaspoons. Once you're done, place back in the freezer for about 5 minutes to let set. Lastly, you're going to pour in the last layer of chocolate, making sure to completely cover the peanut butter. Once you're done, place them back in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour to set completely. Carefully remove them from the liners and enjoy. Now you can store the leftovers in the fridge. They should last at least 5 to 7 days. Or for longer storage, store them in the freezer for up to 2 months. But in our house, they do not last that long.
Action. 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 Action.
Okay.
Action.
Okay, babe.
Action. Action.
Okay. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. These homemade peanut butter cups are so much better and healthier than store-bought, and they're so easy to make. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to enjoy these. I am still recovering from getting the rest of my wisdom teeth removed, but my husband is very lucky. He gets to enjoy these all to himself. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! You're too much, honey.
3, 2, 1, action!
Before you guys go, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!